In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily increase the leverage of an opened position on Bitunix. As you can see right here, I have this trade open with a 5x leverage. And if I want to increase that leverage, I can simply click on this pen icon right here. And then let's say increase my leverage to a 7x leverage. If I click on confirm, you will see not much has changed. It's now a 7x leverage, but the position size is exactly the same, and also my margin, so my own capital in this trade. But what I can do now is just go to this pen in here and reduce my margin by up to $36. So if I just type in here 36 and click on confirm, now this margin right here is pulled out, and you can see I have it now available in here. And now my new leverage is actually effective because I've reduced the margin. And now, as you can see, also my liquidation price increased a bit, and I'm using the full effect of the higher leverage. Now with this freed up capital, I can do whatever I want. I can withdraw it, open new trades, or even increase this position size further. So that are all the options that you have right now. If you want to get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitunix, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use one of these options, and then you're ready to go.